Yes, so I didn't have really knowledges in Forex, but yeah, only some small knowledge in practice in stocks. I tried to prepare myself a little bit with the online courses at the Your Trading Club website, and so that was really helpful for like a start to get yourself into the topic and yeah, so that you know like somehow and something about the tools and the strategies. But yeah, it was only for yeah, getting into the topic. I must say I'm really confident in it. So it's amazing how fast yeah, you can learn, because at the workshop you get all the essential tools and the strategies how to yeah, place the trades, and I'm very optimistic. It was a really good combination of like theory, practice, and also the mindset things. So it was really good and helpful for the motivation, and it was very inspiring. Yes. Yeah, you should definitely do it. It will change your life.